So today we are being joined by my husband's laundry pile and Penny for a make, do, and mend type session. We are going to be adding a gusset to one of my husband's overshirts. My husband does enjoy overshirts. I forgot that and ordered him this really cool moth fabric overshirt. And now we have to add an underarm gusset to allow him a little bit more mobility. What we have here is a triangle that I cut out. Behold, it is about 5 inches across and 2 inches high. So when we cut our bit of scrap fabric, 2 pieces of scrap fabric that have been ironed down in half. So when I cut them on that fold, it's going to result in a 5-inch by 4-inch rhombus. It's not a rhombus. Is it a rhombus? It's a diamond. Jeez, my brain is spaghetti today. That's why we're not doing a complicated project. Since this is black fabric, I need it to be brighter for me to be able to see it. But because of overstimulation issues, if I turn the lights up anymore, I will not be able to see because it will be too bright to see. So we're just hoping for the best and going based off of vibes. 2 triangles turn into diamonds. So since I do have a serger available to me now, I am going to go serge around the edges of my 2 diamonds. If you do not have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch, but I will also suggest checking out your local library because socialism, and they might have sergers, sewing machines, and other crafty equipment there that you can utilize for free because socialism is great. Your tax dollars pay for it, might as well use it. Oh, okay, I'm recording. So what I did, I have the sleeve here, and here is the armpit. I slit down here and up here into the sleeve, so it's just a straight vertical line. And then I took the point of the gusset into each point where it was the horizontal seam in the vertical seam, pinned that in and have the lines down the, what's it called? The vertical seam. There is a little bit of sticky out, what's it called, fabric right there. But as you can see, that does create this little triangle wedge right there that we are going to stitch up real quick. This guy I feel like needs another pin. Flip this inside out and, oh, I think that I need to just get a little bit further into the sleeve than I originally wanted, but that's what gives Hubsend enough room to feel comfortable with how this is. And pin that down and in place. Where did I put my needle? There it is. Needle is going in through like a million layers of fabric, using the table to give us a little leverage on that. And that hides the ugly bit of the tail on the inside of the shirt. There we go. Shirt is right sideways now. All right, and now I can start whip stitching using a table for leverage if so need be.
I'm a form of fighter. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Like a fighter can tank, but yeah.
Because it Sentinels of the Multiverse that I was playing the tank?
It was, yeah.
Okay, because I did like playing a tank.
Okay.
I think that like you've seen me like play a Maokai and the Sentinels of the Multiverse dude.
Okay.
So I think that I can understand tank. And the what's it called? My Gloomhaven character was a tank too, right?
Yeah, your Gloomhaven character was kind of like a fighter tank spec.
Okay.
Sort of idea.
So I have experience playing tank, so I can play tank.
Okay.
If that is what works well with the party dynamics. We're like 75% of the way there. You'll catch up with me. So of course we do not have an exact match for this cool moth fabric, but we do have black. If somebody is looking that intently at your armpit that they are bothered by a triangle of black, that person is too much. So I think that with the overall pattern, it blends in pretty well. Here's the final product. You cannot really tell when it's being worn unless you already know to look for the slight black triangle under the arm. So I would say great success. He says that it fits a lot better. It slides more easily on his arms, so he feels more comfortable like moving around, because sometimes when you have to go in and play gymnastics in the server room to plug things in, you have to play gymnastics in the server room to plug different wires in, because networking. So yeah, this is a little bit different from my typical videos, but that is because my last two projects turned out to be absolute disasters fit-wise. I will be trying to push out a little bit more of the normal content, but if you liked these kind of Make Do and Mend videos, feel free to list that down below with any questions, comments, or concerns. New videos should be up on Fridays, not every Friday though, so feel free to like this video, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Also, I'll show you Penny. This is my little pug Rito. You sleepy girl? Yeah. Your ears fucked up. I'll fuck Alan, fuck it for you. There you go. Oh, so stretchy. Let's have you not fall off the couch, okay? Ooh, shoot. Darn.